Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to view and manage muted accounts on the Wattpad app. If you have ever muted someone and later want to see or unmute them, this video will guide you clearly through the process. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and click on your current profile photo. Then, click on the Settings icon, which is also located at the top right. Once you are on the home screen, scroll down until you find the section labeled Muted Accounts. Next, tap on Muted Accounts to enter the list. Here, you will see all the usernames you have muted, arranged in one place. Then, to unmute an account, tap on these three dots next to the name of the user and select the Unmute option from the menu that appears. Then, confirm by click on Unmute again. This will immediately allow you to see updates and posts from this user again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.